You've probably seen those stunning photos of Saturn with its glowing rings. But here's the real question. What would happen if you actually tried to land there? Could you stand on Saturn's surface? The answer might surprise you. Let's be honest. Saturn is one of the most breathtaking planets in the entire solar system. Those bright, icy rings, iconic. The sheer size, massive. It's the kind of planet that makes you stop and wonder, could I actually land there and stand on its surface? Saturn might look like a giant solid ball, but in reality, it's a massive sphere of gas. If you tried to land on it, you'd simply fall right through, like trying to stand on a cloud. Standing on Saturn is like trying to walk on fog or a rainbow. Beautiful, but impossible. Sure, somewhere deep inside, Saturn has a solid core. But to reach it, you'd have to fall through thousands of kilometers of thick gas, survive crushing pressure that would flatten you like a pancake, and extreme heat that would boil you alive. So, walking on Saturn? Not gonna happen. And even if you tried just floating in the upper atmosphere, forget it. The winds there blow at over 1,000 miles per hour. You'd be tossed around like a feather in a hurricane. So unless you're wearing a supersonic spacesuit, better just admire it from a safe distance. Now, let's talk about distance. Saturn is almost 10 times farther from the Sun than Earth, at just 1.4 billion kilometers away. From here, on Earth, it looks like a tiny glowing dot in the night sky. But if you grab a good telescope, you can actually see those famous rings. And to orbit the Sun just once, Saturn needs nearly 29 Earth years. So, while you grow up, finish school, maybe change a couple of jobs, Saturn will have made just one lap around the Sun. And what about those rings? They might look like the perfect space sidewalk, but they're actually billions of pieces of ice and rock, from tiny dust grains to massive boulders. You won't be strolling on them either. They're scattered like a cosmic debris field. So yeah, Saturn is beautiful, massive, and totally fascinating. But if you're dreaming about walking on it, better stick to dreams. Think of Saturn like a cosmic masterpiece, stunning to look at, impossible to touch.